Hmm.
confident,
You say,
jolly nature.
okay.
Try to experience new thing like yes, like to be honest, I'm also not aware of the news much, but I really feel that cancer is growing. This is the biggest change. I know.
I'm aware
I
of
hope
that.
that you know what the cancer.
Array,
So like
yeah.
yeah. Hmm. So
Actually, you know
he's
one thing
trying to
about the
change.
cancer. Yeah,
Hmm.
you know one thing. I don't belong to arts background and whatever. Okay, but still I have purchased the course of the cancer just to listen him on his application. I really like him, so just because of that. And
Hmm.
yeah, he is changing the education system. You can definitely can say that.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's trying to change the things in. Hmm.
Hmm. Okay, I have some rapid fire question. First question is that how will you describe yourself with the three words?
Three words:
Hmm.
confident,
You say,
jolly nature.
okay.
Try to experience new thing like
Curiosity. Curiosity.
curiosity and try. I just want to learn something new. I don't want to stick in one
Yeah.
single
So
thing.
yeah, curious. So curious, confident, and what was that?
I would okay like
Confident, curious, and
uh,
jolly. Yes.
jolly nature. Hmm.
Hmm. Okay. Another
Yes.
thing is that, like, do you like to read books, like non-fiction books?
Yeah, I just like to read the books. I don't know about the non-fiction. Like, what is non-fiction? Like, can you tell me? Can you explain?
As even I recently, but non-fiction is like apart from the some stories, like some motivational books, self-help books, and something like that.
Yeah, I like to read these kind of books. Like, even though just these days I'm reading like this book, Ankur Wariko, Do Epic Shit. You know, this
Achha.
book I'm reading.
Uh,
So it's. So these kind of books I like to read. Like even though like I'm having lots of books, just next book I'm going to read
yeah,
this,
one of my
this.
favorite.
So
Oh my god,
yeah.
I this word. I have read. So,
Uh,
what is your favorite among of them? What is your favorite book?
Basically, I just started reading. So the first book I read this one, so I like this book, and the
I have.
second book.
I have also.
Okay, it was like that you are having too much in reading. I can observe that.
So, like, which, okay, so what did you learn from that book? That attitude is everything.
Basically, earlier I was having only negative side of the attitude. After reading this book, I just got to know the positive side of the attitude. Because earlier, if anyone asked to me what is attitude, so I just know only one line about attitude. Like even from childhood, that I'm always saying that ये कितना attitude दिखा रहा है. So I always know
Yeah.
attitude in this context. So after reading this book, my perception is changed about the attitude, and I got to know that like how attitude will impact your life, how attitude will help you to grow in your life. So yeah, these are the things I learned from this book.
Okay, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies, these I started reading books, so I am indulging myself too much in reading books, watching series whenever I'm in leisure time. I always try, and I always try to whatever I'm watching and whatever things I'm doing, I want something productive from that things. Like if I'm watching series, so I always try to watch in the English. I don't prefer to watch in native language Hindi. Like even though I didn't remember like last time when I watched the Bollywood movies. So yeah, these are the things I'm trying to do, and I like to play with kids, and like I like to play outdoor games. So these are the things I like to do. And that's great. Like you should do like that. And I really feel that when you see your old videos, so you will feel very happy. So you should do.
Memories. Yeah, memories, you can say that. Okay. Do you yeah, you have talked about series. So, what was the latest series you have watched?
Actually, just like today, I watched that Pirates of Caribbean Sea. These are the second part I just finished today.
I think that is the story of the sea, samundra, or something like that.
Yeah,
It was, yeah, that I think sea
Pirates of the
and
Caribbean.
smuggling of something like that.
Yeah, it's something like that. Like,
Five or six, 5 or 6 season is there. I think 4, 5, 6 season. I have seen
yes.
1 or 2, 3. I don't have remember. Long back, I have seen that. Okay. I
Yes.
Yeah, that character. There is a main character have a hair something like that, and right. Okay. Okay.
I forget. I just said today was I forgot the name. William, and William is the main character, and after that I forgot the name.
I don't have remember. I have been watching the Harry Potter. That time I
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Jack Sparrow exactly. So yeah, that was
Yes.
it.
Hmm.
Uh, okay, fine. Anything? Okay, okay. Another question is that, after your graduation, what would you like to do? Have you any like pursuing the masters in the English or for the teaching? I think apart from that, you are preparing for some exams also. I don't think so. You are only study the English.
Yes, actually, I'm preparing like one of the exams. Of course, I want to crack that exam. And if you really talk about education field, so my parents they want that I should do B.Ed after the graduation. So that's what I'm going to pursue in future. And I
That's
just
a
want to
hard
know
thing.
from you. Mhm.
Yeah, tell me.
Like so I just want to know from you that you just recently shift Bangalore, so I just want to know the culture of Bangalore and how like place can shift your life, because like we all know that not only you face the difficulty that you have to adjust in a different culture, right? Like Bihar is having different culture, Bangalore is having different culture. So like how you actually feel and what is your experience regarding this?